guys, a very good morning to all and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and this lucky bamboo may bring you good luck. So my father bought me this plant from a nearby nursery and I have decided to keep it on my study table. Yes, I do believe in luck. Do you also believe in luck? Let me know in the comment section. So let's start today's first morning study session with my favorite subject, biology. And I have decided to revise the whole 11th biology from beginning. And that's why I'm going to start from the first chapter, the living world. Hello everyone, so I am back and it's time for the second study session. And the second study session, I am beginning with my chemistry. In this study session, I am going to revise the inorganic chemistry. The chapter I am going to revise is the classification of elements and periodicity in properties. So let's start.
Now it's time for evening study session.
After the afternoon study session, I had taken a break and I had my bath and my lunch and a little nap to recharge myself. And now I am back to my studies with the physics revision. Hi everyone. So I had cooked matar paneer today for dinner, and yeah, I love cooking and I do cooking when I feel bored and I feel little burnout from my studies, and everyone enjoyed today's recipe. Here is my recipe of matar paneer. Let me know in the comments that what you do when you feel bored or burn out from your studies. I am back after having my dinner and now I am doing the numericals of the chapter that I revised in the evening. So let's solve the numericals. Good night, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.